So hi everybody, today we have got the unboxing of the DJI RS3 combo, which is an awesome piece of kit for anyone looking to get us some serious video production. It's another great product from DJI. So here, as you can see, arrived freshly wrapped, and now I'm going to unbox it. Got these lovely little stickers here. Just unpeel those. Beautiful box that it comes in. Sorry about the noises. Beautiful, great box, nice soft material, it's kind of semi-hard shell. I think we'll move that box out of the way for this. Neatly packaged inside. So we'll open all this one by one and lay it out for you. Starting with the main piece of kit. Oh, wow, beautiful. A nice weight to it. As always, well protected for its first use, but really great. Look at that, stunning. So, let's lay this out gently. What else have we got in here? There's the hand control. Looks like a stand. That looks like a battery pack to me, as well as another grip. Check I'm not missing anything. I missed a battery the other day in their unboxing. Slightly embarrassing. Now, I don't know the names for these parts yet, so I'm just going to leave them out. I'm sure some of you may even know them better than me. Quick start guide, as always, from DJI. What else have we got in here? Some leads. Spare track by the looks of things. More leads. What's this? Anything else? A couple other pieces which, again, will remain nameless until yours truly has worked out what they do. I think that's it. Great, it's a nice, light storage box which takes everything. Plenty of space, maybe even for some additional accessories. And there you have it. The DJI RS3 combo, all set for making and recording.